Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake Up and Warm Up with Courtney and Miguel. Today we'll be reviewing some old vocal warm-ups, but adding some fun new ones. Make sure to like and subscribe, and most importantly, have fun.
Alright, so as usual, before we get to singing, we're going to warm up our body and our face. So today my arms need a little bit of a stretch, so I'm going to do that. Also get my shoulders in there. You can do some shoulder rolls, so backwards, forwards, and backwards again. Do a little bit of a reach up. We do some full body stretches today, and then all the way down. All right, once you're done doing whatever you need to do to warm up your body, move on to face. So give your face a little bit of massage again. Your cheeks, by your nose, lightly under your eyes, by your jaw down here. And give your neck a very gentle massage. If it needs it, just wake everything up. Amazing. Then give it some finger taps. Really make sure everything's woken up. Don't forget the head. All right, once you're done that, we're gonna do some more of our head exercises that we did last time. So again, taking deep breaths with each exercise, and you can hold each for 4 beats, let's say. So, to the right, deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4, out. And then to the left, deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, then we're gonna go looking down and looking up. So to the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up towards the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna do some head rolls. So from right to left. And in again. Amazing. So do those exercises and warm up your body in your own time and as much as you need to get ready to sing. Quick note about posture. Before we start to sing, we want our feet to be firmly planted on the ground with a slight bend in our knee, just so that we can get the sound and the breath coming out of our body in a clear passage so we can hear your lovely singing voices. All right, let's get to singing. So we're gonna start with our high to low yawns. We're gonna do a little bit of a twist to this time. We're gonna do them on lip trills. So let's go from high to low. So, amazing. Then we're gonna go from low to high. This is great to wake up our lips, to wake up our articulators, and also to work on our breath support. We want to get our lips to be moving at a really, really nice speed, and for that we have to manage our breath. So let's do that again, but let's do it on a slide. So from high to low, and then back to high. Perfect. And then low to high, high to low. What you can also do with lip trills is go from low to high and then keep increasing your range. So kind of like this. You can also increase volume as well as you go through that. Another exercise we're gonna do is this is another great one to warm up our articulators and also for our breath support. So you want to maintain your breath throughout the whole exercise and really engage your lips, your tongue, and your teeth. So it's going to go like this. And again. And on the third one, we're going to hold the sh, and we're going to do it 3 times after. So like this. Perfect.
For our first warm-up with the piano, we're going to be saying the word ya. And when we say it, I want you guys to make sure that you really drop your jaw. So ya. And it's going to sound like this. Ya, 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 ya. Okay.
Ya, 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 ya. 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 right, so the next exercise we'll be doing are our octave lip trills. Remember to really keep your airflow moving, so keep your lips moving throughout the whole entire exercise. And then as a reminder, an octave is an interval consisting of 8 notes. That's going to get us from note A to note B. Okay, let's do it.
So for our next warm-up, we're going to be using the word ah. Similar to all of the other warm-ups, I want you guys to make sure that you really drop your jaw and let all of the sound project out. And it's going to sound like this. Ah. So for our final warm-up, we're going to be using the alphabet. And it's going to sound like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And it may sound easy at first, but we're going to get faster with each time we do it. So make sure to have fun and just do the best you can.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, that's it for this week's session. Remember to like and subscribe, see all of our new videos coming up, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.